What is GT38SL and what makes it so easy to use? First of all, GT38SL has a very low initial tack. You can literally feel it. And that's exactly where SL stands for in the name, slidable. Being so slidable, you not only save time when applying, you also save costs, as this film is ideal for a one-man job. Effortlessly adjust and perfect your graphics. Lift, slide, and reposition with total ease. Even after you've applied your graphic, you can effortlessly lift it again. Always make overlapping wipes to position it properly and to ensure contact over the entire surface. If you accidentally have film on film, you can easily undo it. Heat the surface shortly to get the optimal final tack. GT38SL, ready for a flawless application and result?